Common vegetable storage mistakes in fridge you must avoid. Common fridge mistakes include washing veggies before storing, adds moisture, overcrowding, blocks airflow, mixing ethylene producers, apples, bananas, with sensitive veggies, lettuce, carrots, using sealed plastic bags, traps humidity, and refrigerating items that don't belong, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, garlic. Proper storage involves keeping produce dry, allowing air circulation with perforated bags, crisper drawers, separating gases, and storing some items at room temp. Here are some key mistakes and fixes. Washing before storing. Mistake. Rinsing veggies introduces moisture, promoting mold and bacteria. Fix. Wash only right before use. If pre-washing greens, dry thoroughly with a towel or spinner and add a dry paper towel to the container. Ethylene gas buildup. Mistake. Storing ethylene releasing fruits, apples, bananas, avocados, tomatoes, with ethylene-sensitive veggies, leafy greens, carrots, broccoli. Fix. Keep ethylene producers separate from most other vegetables. Trapping moisture. Mistake. Storing veggies in sealed plastic bags or airtight containers. Fix. Use breathable mesh bags, perforated bags, or slightly open containers to allow air circulation and reduce sogginess. Overcrowding the fridge. Mistake. Stuffing too much in the fridge. Fix. Allow space between items for proper air circulation, which prevents faster spoilage. Refrigerating the wrong items. Mistake. Chilling items that prefer cooler, dry conditions. Fix. Store tomatoes, lose flavor. Potatoes, starch turns to sugar, onions, get moldy, garlic, sprout, and basil on the counter or in a cool pantry. Improper crisper drawer use. Mistake. Not adjusting humidity settings. Fix. Use high humidity for leafy greens and low humidity for root vegetables.